I'm going to teach you how you can take live broadcasted videos that you did previously inside of Restream, and I'm going to show you how to very easily rebroadcast them. Now you might be wondering, Kelly, why would I do that? Well, if you're anything like me and you have viewers from all over the world, I'm in California. A lot of my viewers are in the UK or New York or even here in California, but even some are in Australia living in the future. It's crazy. And they want to feel included in my content. So I actually like to promote a replay time. In other words, I'll go live at, let's say, 9 a.m. Pacific time when my Australians and my Kiwis are sleeping, and I'll say in the description, hey, we're going to do a replay at 4 p.m. Pacific time, which is in the morning for them, and they're actually awake. And it's just a great way to continue to grow the community. I set the right expectations, and it's a great way to send, that algorithmic push in order to get a little bit more reach than before and hit other people. So without further rambling, because I know I'm talking too much, I'm going to jump into Restream and I'm going to show you how to do this. Get yourself over to Restream. Once you're here, we're going to go down here to the cloud and we're going to go to recordings. Now, these are all the recordings that I have. They do expire, as you can see. So if you plan on using a live stream that you did, let's say over a month ago, you probably are not going to find it here. You're going to have to do an upload. But if you have the stuff in here, so for instance, I'll go live in the morning and I'll want to live stream it in the afternoon, this is where you can do that. So we're going to do this February 11th stream, and all we have to do is go to these three dots and schedule a stream. We can go over here and add our title and a description, and then you'll click on this schedule for later. You're going to set up when you want to schedule this. Make sure that your live feed is not about to expire if you do this. So I'm going to go the 18th, and we are going to do, let's say 2 p.m. and you can upload an image here for your thumbnail and crop it. All right, let's go to next. Now you're going to select where you want this to go. So are we going to live feed it to the same places that you did before? For me, I only like to do one broadcast to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to turn my YouTube channels off because my first broadcast went to YouTube. And typically if I know that I'm going to do another broadcast, I will actually not do the Facebook page in the morning, and in the afternoon, I will do the Facebook page. So in this case, I'm just going to add my one Facebook page, but it's up to you. You can live stream this to, anywhere you want. In fact, we'll keep the Periscope and we'll keep the Twitch on, and then you can go to click create an event. Great, now your event is all set and ready to run at the time that you indicated, and Restream will actually pull the information and the video content from that live stream video that they have on deck. Now, if you want to, you can go here and you can actually delete this, and we can delete it to each form because I actually don't want this to go out. So you can go delete event. There you go.